Build a Bitcoin trading bot with Claude Code, step-by-step AI automation in 2026. What if I told you that in the next 15 minutes you could build a Bitcoin trading bot that runs 24/7, makes decisions based on real market data, and requires zero traditional coding experience? Last week, I used Claude AI to generate a fully functional trading bot in under 20 minutes that's already up 12% this month. And before you ask, yes, this is completely legal. And no, you don't need a computer science degree. The catch? Most people are still manually watching charts, while AI is literally doing the heavy lifting for free. Hey everyone, I'm back with another AI automation that's going to change how you think about passive income. If you're a busy professional who's tired of missing Bitcoin opportunities because you're stuck in meetings, or you're just curious about how AI can actually make you money while you sleep, this video is for you. Today, you're going to learn how to build a legitimate Bitcoin trading bot using Claude AI, Anthropic's coding assistant that's honestly become scary good at writing financial algorithms. We'll cover the complete setup, from connecting to exchange APIs to implementing risk management, and I'll show you exactly how to customize the trading strategy without touching a single line of code yourself. Quick credibility check. I've been testing AI trading tools for the past 8 months, and I currently run 3 different bots managing a small portion of my crypto portfolio. I'm not promising you'll get rich quick, but I am promising you'll understand exactly how this technology works and how to use it responsibly. Here's the brutal truth about Bitcoin trading that nobody talks about. The market never sleeps, but you do. While you're at your day job, sleeping, or spending time with family, opportunities are flying by every single hour. I used to set price alerts on my phone, thinking I was being smart. But here's what actually happened. I'd get the alert during a client meeting, couldn't act on it, and by the time I opened my exchange app, the moment was gone. Sound familiar? Even worse, emotional trading is killing most people's returns. You see Bitcoin spike 8%, get excited, buy in at the peak, then panic sell when it drops 5% the next day. Meanwhile, professional traders are using algorithms that remove emotion entirely and execute strategies based on pure data. The traditional solution was hiring a developer to build a custom bot, which costs thousands of dollars and takes weeks to implement. Or you could use existing bot platforms, but they're either too simplistic for serious trading or too complex for normal humans to configure properly. The real kicker? Most retail investors are competing against institutional trading algorithms that process thousands of data points per second. It's like bringing a calculator to a supercomputer fight. Enter Claude AI, and specifically Claude's coding capabilities that most people are completely sleeping on. Claude can generate sophisticated trading algorithms, connect to exchange APIs, implement risk management systems, and even backtest strategies using historical data. Here's what makes this approach brilliant. You describe your trading strategy in plain English, and Claude writes the entire program for you. Want to buy Bitcoin when it drops 3%, but only if trading volume is above average? Just tell Claude exactly that, and it'll generate the code to make it happen. The bot we're building today will connect directly to Coinbase Pro's API. That's completely free and legitimate. It'll monitor Bitcoin prices in real time, execute trades based on your custom parameters, and send you notifications when actions are taken. Most importantly, it includes built-in safeguards to prevent catastrophic losses. The entire system runs on your computer or a cheap cloud server, costs basically nothing to operate, and can be modified anytime by simply asking Claude to adjust the strategy. No monthly fees, no profit sharing with platforms, complete control over your trading logic. All right, let's build this thing. First, you'll need a Coinbase Pro account and Claude AI access. I'll put links to both in the description. Step 1. Generate your API keys from Coinbase Pro. Log into your account, go to the API section, and create new credentials. Make sure you only enable trading permissions for the amount you're comfortable risking. This is crucial. Never give any bot access to your entire portfolio. Step 2. Open Claude and use this exact prompt. Create a Python Bitcoin trading bot that connects to Coinbase Pro API. The bot should buy Bitcoin when the price drops 2% from the 24-hour high and sell when it gains 3% from the purchase price. Include proper error handling, logging, and a maximum daily trading limit of $100. Claude will generate about 200 lines of Python code in seconds. But here's the key. Read through it and ask Claude to explain any parts you don't understand. This isn't black magic. It's actually pretty logical once you see how it works. Step 3. Customize your strategy. Maybe you want different buy and sell thresholds, or you want to factor in trading volume, or add a stop-loss feature. Just tell Claude. Modify the bot to only trade when Bitcoin's trading volume is above the 7-day average, and it'll update the code instantly. Step 4. Set up your environment. Claude will tell you exactly which Python libraries to install, but it's typically just the Coinbase Pro API wrapper and a few standard libraries. If you're on Windows, Claude can even generate a batch file to handle the installation automatically. Step 5. Test with small amounts first. I cannot stress this enough. Start with $20 or $50 maximum until you see how the bot behaves in real market conditions. Claude can also generate a paper trading version that simulates trades without using real money. The entire bot runs in a simple command line window, and you'll see real-time logs of what it's analyzing and when it makes decisions. Claude even includes email notification features so you get alerts whenever trades execute. Here are 3 advanced techniques that separate successful bot traders from the people who lose money and give up. First, implement multiple time-frame analysis. Most basic bots only look at current price action, but profitable strategies consider multiple time horizons. Ask Claude to modify your bot to check both short-term momentum and longer-term trends before executing trades. The prompt would be, add 4-hour and daily trend analysis to prevent buying during major downtrends. Second, use dynamic position sizing instead of fixed dollar amounts. Smart bots adjust trade size based on market volatility and recent performance. Tell Claude, implement position sizing that reduces trade amounts after losses and increases them after consecutive wins, with a maximum risk of 1% of account balance per trade. Third, and this is huge, set up proper backtesting before going live. Claude can generate code that tests your strategy against months of historical Bitcoin data, showing you exactly how it would have performed. This prevents you from optimizing for recent market conditions that might not continue. So there you have it, a complete Bitcoin trading bot built entirely with AI. No coding experience required, running 24/7 to capture opportunities you'd otherwise miss. The key is starting small, testing thoroughly, and treating this as a learning experience rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. If this video saved you from paying thousands for a custom trading bot, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Seriously, we're covering AI automation tools every week that are literally changing how people make money online. Next week, I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT to analyze stock earnings calls and generate investment research reports in minutes instead of hours. You won't want to miss that one. And if you want to get started with Claude AI for your own trading experiments, I've got a special link in the description below that'll help support the channel while you explore these tools. Remember, trade responsibly, never risk money,